everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my own nails. I actually already took off my gel polish a few days ago. I just couldn't decide what to do on them, so that's why it's already off. So I'm just going in here now with my cuticle pusher and pushing back all my cuticles. And then once that's done, I'm just using my Melody Susie e-file with the cuticle clean ball, and I'm just going around all my cuticles and tidying them up. I actually got this off Amazon and it's not even too dear, and I really love it, so I would definitely recommend getting it. Then using my cuticle cutters just to remove any extra wee bits to keep it as neat as possible. So I'm just cutting some length off these. I actually can't believe these are my own nails. I used to have literally none. And I'm just going to keep them square shaped and just tidy them up a bit. And always shaking just to make sure that they're straight, especially if they're square. And once that's done, I'm just filing the tops to reshape the boulder that's already on them and checking the apex and C-curve. And I'm now going on with the buffing block just to smooth it out. And then using Young's Nails swipe and a nail brush, cleansing the nail and removing any dust. This is Glossify's Natural Build in the shade Rose, and this is the builder gel that I'm going to be using. I actually just recently changed to this brand and I'm really loving it so far. I'm also curing in between each nail just to make sure that it doesn't run or flood the cuticles or anything. This shade Rose that I'm using is definitely one of my favourites out of the Glossify's Natural Build collection, especially for doing nails with like tips and stuff. And once they're cured, I'm just going over the shape quickly. And buffing the tops just to make sure that they're smooth. And then wiping them with Young's Nails swipe. And now I'm using the manicure companies Blondie, Periwinkle Portrait, Tiffany, Minimalist and Mint Chalk. So I've already put out a bit of each of these colours, and for this look I'm going to do the tips straight across. Then I'm just filling in the rest of the tip with the colour. I actually got inspo from these from a girl called Manicured on Instagram with 2 N's. She did them with a nude tip and they were so class, and I just thought I would mix it up a wee bit with some pastel colours. Also curing in between each nail here as well, just because it's my own hand and I don't want to risk smudging it. And then using Indigo's Sugar Effect White Nail Art Gel for the print. This design was literally so much harder than I thought. The best way to get through it was just to take your time and not to rush it. I actually tried to rush this nail so that I could get to bed and ended up wiping it off twice. So it's not worth it. I actually cured this print after each nail as well, just so that it didn't smudge. Once I got the hang of the print, it flowed more then, but the thumb was definitely the hardest. Trying to do it sideways was such a struggle. But I got there in the end, and I actually really love them. So now I'm just finishing off with my urban graffiti top coat. And then my NAF Stuff Watermelon Cuticle Oil. I hope you enjoyed my video and maybe learned some tips and tricks for doing your own nails. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.